Okay, this is Dean Vendetta. So yeah, he wants a pro setup. He wants to change the tuning heads. So as usual, locking tuners for the guitar. Then he wants to change the bridge also. The bridge is caving in, so I need to change it out. Then the other part that is going to be changed out is also the electronics. So I'm going to put Bourns ports together with Husco toggle switch, Switchcraft output jack, then Coppershielding. This one has no shielding at all. So when it came in, it's a bit not a bit. It's very noisy. So yeah, so this is the lock-in tuners. Yeah, forget to mention there's a orange cap as well. So a bit more cleaner tone. Here are the parts, toggle switch and output jack together with the ports. Okay, Gotoh has to start paying me for pushing their stuff. I push their stuff all the time. So just enjoy the video, okay? Bye. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the content, just subscribe. If you don't like, it's okay. Just leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you want to ask me question, leave a comment. Okay, bye.